The equation is 6x to the power of 2 minus 5x minus 6 equals 0. We need to solve by factorization. Multiply a and c to get minus 36. We need two numbers that multiply to minus 36 and add to minus 5. We find numbers negative 9 and positive 4. Their sum is negative 5 and their product is minus 36. Split the middle term minus 5x into minus 9x and plus 4x. Group the first two terms and the last two terms for factorization by grouping. Factor out 3x from the first group and 2 from the second group. Both give a common bracket. Write the factored form. Open bracket 3x plus 2 close bracket, open bracket 2x minus 3 close bracket equals 0. Set each factor to 0. Final answers are x equals negative 2 by 3 and x equals 3 by 2.